session, we will discuss about the card widget. So first, what is card widget? So if you want to show the elevated layout on the screen, then you can use a card widget, or you can see here, this is a card widget. You can see this layout, it is elevated around the corner. So this is, if you want to implement this kind of layout, then you can use a card widget. Okay, so let's get implement the card widget. So I will implement a view into the card view or card widget. Okay, so in the body I have taken a center widget. That means I am going to show some layout on the center of the uh, body or on the screen. Okay, so in the center layout I am taking a child, and in the child I am taking a container, a card, because we are going to use a card. Then I'm this is a card widget. Okay, and in the card I am taking another child, that I am taking a container for that. And in the container I'm adding a text. Okay, so in the child property I'm adding a text with hello, and I'm going to change the color of text. Then I am using I'm going to use a style for this text. Text style, here we can pass a color property, colors dot white. Okay, and we can use a font size property. I'm adding a 20. Okay, so I have added uh, in the center widget I have added a card widget. In the card widget there is a container which is having a text widget. Okay, so and we can change the color of the card, so it will be visible in a different color. Then colors dot red of 600, strength of 600. I'm taking this, then run this application. You will see this is red color, this is a card, and it has a container uh, which is having a text widget. Okay, so here we cannot see uh, the good visibility of card, so I'm adding some margin around the container. Okay, so in the container I'm adding a margin as insets dot all. I'm adding 30 dp, then run it again. You will see here, you can see the card is the card around the corner is elevated. Okay, or if you add some margin over the card, then margin edge insets dot all. I'm adding a 10 dp, then run it again. Okay, so it is visible more elevated. So this is all about the card view, and if you want to add more than one widget into the card, then you have to take the different widget, that is column, or it can be a row. Like in the same example, I'm adding one more widget, the raised button. So for that, I have to add a column widget inside it. Okay, so I'm replacing this widget with a column. Okay, and the column can have a list of widgets, children's. Then I'm copy pasting this. I have added a text widget, completing here, and we can remove this one. Okay, again one error. So this is widget, this is column, and this is container, and this is card, or this is center. Okay, so we can remove this one. Card is closing here, center is closing here, then scaffold is closing here, then material design is missing, right? So we can add one more bracket here. Okay, so I have added one widget, the text widget, and for second widget I am going to one more widget, like I'm adding a raised button, and I'm adding a default implementation for on press. And I'm adding a text by use of child property of text widget, raised button. I have added a text with the name of raised button on the raised button. Okay, then I run it again. Then you will see we can add a multiple widgets in the card like this way. It is stretched from top to bottom. Then we can add a container height and width, like you use width is equal 300, height is equal 400. Okay, then run it again. You will see, or you can reduce 300. So like this you can implement a card widget which can have any kind of widgets or widgets tree. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. uh, Please like the channel and video and comment on the video which you have liked or which you have didn't like. So thanks for watching.